welcome to our channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how to see someone's profile on LinkedIn private mode. So simply what you need to do, just open the LinkedIn profile. If you're using browser, you can log in through browser. Simply I am opening my app. So now here what you need to do, just on the top left side you can see my profile option. So first we need to adjust our profile settings. Simply click here. Now here you can see settings option. So this is updated version of LinkedIn. So simply you can see the visibility option here. In the old version you can find this option in account setting or account preferences. So simply we will click on visibility. Now here you can see profile viewing options. Simply click here. Now here you can see provide private profile characteristics, your name and headline and you can see this is the private mode option. You will be in complete private mode. So simply click here and now go back. So here now you can open any profile. So now when you open the profile, the person will not get any notification. So in this way you can do it.